You forgot your Windows PIN code and password, and therefore your computer or laptop is locked. If none of the methods you have tried before have helped you and now you realize that this is a big problem, then this video is for you. Watch carefully, don't worry, repeat exactly after me step by step and we will succeed. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Click here, and restart your computer. Do not release the Shift key. After the computer restarts, you will be taken to the System Recovery options. Click Troubleshoot. And I will go to the Troubleshooting option, reset this PC to remove the password and access the computer. I want to erase everything and I don't mind losing this data. If you want to save your data, then follow the link in the description of my video to another password reset method. A video with another method is on my YouTube channel. Okay, I click Reset this PC and I end up with a brand new Windows 11, just like I bought this computer from the store. If you select Keep My Files in this window, then, as a result of the process, your account data will be saved along with your personal files, the password you forgot will be saved, and you will again not be able to log into Windows. Then here I choose, Remove Everything. After this, the computer starts to reset the settings. In this window, we can choose to download files from the cloud or locally. I choose local download of Windows 11 files, but if you are afraid of having problems during reset, then choose to download files from the cloud. If you are going to give your computer to someone else, or you bought this computer from someone else, then it is better to choose all drives. This option will completely erase the disks without the possibility of restoring old data. I'm keeping my computer for myself, so here I choose, just remove my files. In this window, the computer warns you of all the upcoming changes, and if you want to do it later, click Cancel. To continue the process you must click Reset, and we are done setting up the process, but there is one more thing to say. Sometimes this reset can take a long time, and if you are doing this on a laptop, connect your laptop to a power source. I clicked Reset, and the computer reset process started. For a while you don't have to do anything and you can relax and have a cup of coffee or tea. The computer will automatically restart several times. The installation of Windows is coming to an end and now we have to make some settings. Choose your region. Click Yes. Now the keyboard layout. Skip. Here you need to accept the license terms. Here I will press Shift and F10 to open the command prompt and then restore Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. On Windows 10 all this is much easier to do. To activate a command prompt, move it just a little bit in this window. If you want to restore Windows 11 with a new Microsoft account, then skip this and continue the installation yourself, but if you want to continue the installation with a local account, then type this command in the command prompt. Press Enter, and the computer will immediately reboot. After rebooting, the computer automatically returned to the final stage of installing Windows 11, and for the trick with a local account to work, you need to pull the internet cable out of the network card. Here again, select your region, Yes. Now select the keyboard layout. Skip. In this window, click I don't have internet. Click Continue with limited setup. In the window that opens, you need to enter your username. Next. Here you need to enter your password, but I will do this later, and I will log into Windows without a password. Next. I accept all these privacy settings. Next. The new Windows 11 welcomes us. Yes. I did it and now I have a brand new Windows 11 on my computer. I hope everything went well for you too. Since I disconnected the cable for the internet, in this menu we see empty spaces instead of application shortcuts, and on the taskbar we see that there is no internet connection on the computer. I reconnect the cable to the network card, and this immediately appeared on the taskbar. I click on the button, Start, and here we see that after connecting to the internet, all application shortcuts appeared in this field. I open Settings, then Accounts, and here we see that my new Windows 11 is under the control of a local account. To get a Microsoft account, you need to open the tab, Your Info. Click here, and then follow the system recommendations. Let's see how the activation of the new Windows went. Yes, my new Windows 11 is activated according to my digital license. I hope what I just said can help you, and if you found it helpful, please share my video with someone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day everyone.